Hi guys, today I want to share with you the Bossman 20W Cordless Brushless Angle Grinder BAG-101. In this package, it comes with a charger and a 4.0 Ah battery. Other than that, the accessories are grinder handle, grinder guard, and the wrench. For all the green brushless power tools, the battery can be used and the charger is the same, whereas it is different from the blue color or black color. They cannot be shared with the blue color or black color. The speed can be adjusted through the red button below.